Are we stopping to get gas? Wow. Alright guys, apparently the jeepney needs to stop and get gas. I thought we were just cutting through the gas station. Oh, we're actually stopping to get gas. This is not like Metro in the US. And you gotta go, you gotta go. Again, I accidentally took the record off. Take two. What are we doing today, sweetie?
We're going to the hospital.
We're going to the hospital?
Yeah.
I have to repeat everything you say because they probably can't hear you.
Oh my goodness.
They probably can't hear me with all this traffic. We'll see when we get home, when I edit the video. Alright, so we're going to the hospital to get your stitches removed?
Yes.
Oh my goodness.
And after that,
The fans are going to be like, what did you do to her? Why does she need stitches? Especially after they saw the pictures of me choking you.
yep. Oh my goodness. And after that, we go to the
We're gonna go to the street food place after the hospital, and then we're gonna go buy school supplies for Kian.
Yep.
All right.
Yep.
That's what we're doing today, guys. Another adventure in the Philippines. What is that one?
This is chicken. That is.
It's just fried chicken or what?
Yep, it is. Like the neck. That is the sweet.
That's the calamari?
No, this is the calamari. No, we get the calamari right over there.
Over there?
Yeah. Well, we're going to try the street foods in the Philippines. Kikiam. Is it kikiam? Yeah.
Is it good?
You want to try it?
No. Is it like sausage or what?
This one that is flavored chicken skin. It doesn't
I didn't really
flavor.
like that last time we got it. It's too much skin. It's like no chicken on it.
Yeah, because it's a skin only.
But it's like too salty.
Oh, it's too salty. You don't like it. Alright, let's try over there. I like their sauce there.
It's not as busy today as it was the other day when we came.
Yeah.
Alright, we'll get the this one?
Yep. You wanna pick it?
Yes, sir. Second one.
Yes. We'll take both of those. We are at Total Bits, Philippines street food spot.
Nabuksan na yan.
This one looks good. What is that one?
There's all vegetables there.
Oh, vegetables, okay.
Ano yan?
What is this?
Dinikit na niya nung 1 week na siya. Palitan mo na yung piso, tita. Hindi talaga yan.
Hey, you're the hottest girl here. You have a boyfriend? Can I buy you a drink? No? We're getting chicken wings, chicken necks. Where's the chicken head at? Okay, that is actual chicken head. And you said the skull is in there? The skull of the chicken is in there? But how do you eat it if it's just like a skull? Oh.
Parang hindi siya nasasaktan.
This is like a green chili wrap thing.